Welcome to K1P1 TV. My name is Ruth Herring, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to work a sock from the toe up, and I'm going to show you how to start and to work the toe section. The advantage of working from the toe up is that it avoids difficult, technically difficult grafting at this position, which you have to do if you work from the top down. It also gives you a really nice shaped toe rather than a sort of pointy effort that a lot of people manage to achieve when they're working from the rib down. On the inside you get a very small seam and then a little tail end that you can just darn in to secure that. Right, I'm going to get rid of that piece because I'm going to demonstrate on a larger piece so it's a little bit clearer. Now, because I'm using thicker yarn here, I've just cast on 6 stitches, and to start I've worked 2 rows stocking stitch, 1 row purl and then 1 row knit. Now what I do is slide these stitches to the other end of the needle, and my needle points need to be in the same direction. So what we're going to do now is turn the work so our working thread is on the right, and now I'm going to pick up a knit across this section here, and I'm going to pick up and knit 6 stitches. Okay, before we start, let's establish where those 6 stitches are going to be. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1 in the end, 6. Okay, so we put our needle in, wrap the yarn and pull a loop. Oops, I'll do that again. It's tricky getting started. Okay, pull the loop through. Now into the next stitch, wrap and pull a loop through, and into the next one. So we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, and then into that last loop at the end will give me just about number 6. There we go. Okay, the tail end represents the beginning of each round. Now we're going to work in what we call the magic loop method. Now this avoids the need for working with double pointed needles, which some people find a bit fiddly, but you can see already what a nice smooth toe that we've established there. Okay, so this is my start point, and we're now going to start the magic loop, and to create a magic loop we pull our working needle through, and now we're ready to start knitting across the top 6 stitches here. And I'm also going to increase to create my toe section. So with my working yarn I'm going to knit the first stitch, then I'm going to pick up the loop between those stitches, put it on my left hand needle and knit into the back of it. So that's my make 1. I'm now going to knit across the next 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, pick up that loop on the left hand needle and knit into the back of it to create my increase, and then knit the next stitch. Right, we've now finished those 6, so we have 8 stitches there now, and now we want to transfer the stitches and knit these 6 on the bottom there. So what I do is pull the left needle down, and then the right needle comes into working position and round, and I'll repeat the same thing again. So this is the other side, my sock, so we have knit 1, then I'm going to pick up the loop, it's there somewhere, there it is, between the stitches, and make 1. Now these should be tight. If they're baggy you will end up with a hole. So make 1, knit the next 4, make another stitch, Just find the loop, it's in there somewhere. Pick one up from the back. There we go. There it is. Make one and then knit the last. So we've now completed one round of increases. Okay, you continue increasing round, so we're increasing one stitch in at the beginning and the end of each of your needles, and then eventually, once you've increased round, you get to your stitches ready to then create your foot pattern. I hope you found this useful. Please visit K1P1 TV for some more demonstrations, and also visit our website k1p1.com.